Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited dice rolls in the Monopoly Go. No jailbreaker computer needed. So let me just open up the game and show you guys what's going on in my account, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, I might quite possibly be one of the richest players in the game. So I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited money and dice rolls. So let's get right into the video, guys. This is super insane and it fully works. So as you can see, look at that. What the heck, guys? So let's get right into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So this is super crazy, and it is a fully working method. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. I want to mention, though, one dark thing. You need to know your username. So make sure you know your username, guys, because this will come in handy. So we're heading for a website called ogrolls.com. So let me just go ahead and type this in right here. So this is the website, guys. So it's called ogrolls.cc. So let me just type it in, ogrolls.cc. So once you're on the website, guys, you're going to see all the money and stuff, and you just want to go ahead and pick how much you want to add. I do not care. You can add as much or as little as you want. So I'm just going to go for the max, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the dice rolls. So anyways, guys, now I'm going to go ahead and put in my username and select my platform. So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. This is where I told you guys that the username thing comes into play. So let me just type it in right here, as you guys can see. And now I'm going to do the platform, and then I'm going to go ahead and press proceed. And now we're just going to wait for it to load. Now, if you have a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long. You'll be asked to confirm your results, to press generate, and now we're just going to wait for it to load. So let's just give it a second here. As you guys can see, connected. All right, cool. So it's doing it right now. We'll just give it a second to go ahead and do its thing. So anyways, guys, before we can become rich, we have to verify. That's easy. We just got to download some apps, complete the instructions, guys, to become the Monopoly Go millionaire. So as you can see, guys, I'm super rich, so be sure to go ahead and try it out. Look at that, guys. This is super cool. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super crazy, guys. Fully working method. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super insane. Fully updated tutorial, guys, for 2024. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys in another video. So subscribe to the channel, and peace out.